What are some existing challenges? Variable interval protocols address the problem of resource wastage up to some extent but does not completely solve the problem. And hidden terminal problem still exists. What is hidden terminal problem? I think you should know already. Different vehicles may switch to different channels due to lack of neighborhood information. Okay. Because it is an ad hoc network, so lack of neighborhood information may be there. So different vehicles may switch to different channels. Now lack of cross-layer approach that can achieve transmission range adjustment and efficient routing protocols, which can be enhanced and facilitated by multi-channel MAC protocols. Okay, this challenge is related to the cross-layer approach, means with relating to routing protocols. So routing protocols should be designed in such a way, or the MAC protocols should be designed in such a way that both are compatible with each other. Okay, so when we are proposing any routing protocol, we should always keep in mind the multi-channel operation.